Hello everyone, Sid here back again with another video. In this video, we're going to discuss about how we can install XAMPP in Ubuntu 18.04. What are the requirements we need before setup? So only you need to set up one package which you can download for the official Apache website, right? So this is the link we need to install basically. Let me click on this. So this is the Apache link you need to install, depends on your operating system, because here we have I'm using Ubuntu, so then I need to click on the basically Linux or Ubuntu. Here you can click, and now this is already installing, so I want to click on the cancel button. So once you have done, so what we need to do again, so after installations you need to go your directory, which is let me show you. Basically, suppose this takes some time, like me go the root directory here, and so I'm going to my download folder. Okay, so here we have a download folder. I'm going to check my package name. So here we have many files, but I don't require right now anything. So setup is required, which is one second, where it is. So this one, this is an installer, right? So depend on the version, something we can see like XAMPP, Linux, and this one, right? Then after this, what we need to give permission, right? So permission, first of all, before set up something, look here, we need to go the inside the folder. Then here we need to give some permission like a sudo chmod 755 and package name. So basically package name is here, let me go to terminal again. Here this is the package name. Okay, so just put like a sudo chmod 755 and then your package name. So after this we need to run this. So how we can run? We need to run like a we need to give some sudo command something. So after this this command, right? So let me scroll down. I given already example how we can give the permission, right? Then you can check all packages like whatever we have, like this one. Okay, so after this you will see we have a different name also, right? So we need to run this command. Okay, so here we need to launch now our wizards, right? Here we need to put like this way sudo, and here we need to give the package name, like this is an installer, we need to copy and we need to run, right? So after this what we need to do, we will get one pop-up which looks like similar this screen, right? Then we need to click on the next. Okay, so this way, next, and your folder will be like this one, opt/lamp. Okay, so then we need to click on the here, right? Next. So you need to keep in mind this is a directory of our folder, like a option lamp, right? Opt and lamp. So here we need to again next we need to click on this, and after this you will get something like an unpacking file something. Okay, so the launch here, if you want to click something, so you can click and you can also finish this. So here we have the welcome, manage service and log some, right? So also you can see, and also you have a managed server. You can start, depends on your requirements. Suppose Apache and MySQL and ProFTPD you can install. Okay, and verify for this system or not something, we need to click on this link like a local host. And okay, so this will looks like a 1 second, we have also set up let me go local host. We can see like a local host. Here you can see we have set up, right? So this is the database we can open directly. Okay, so it means the setup is already done, and here you can see like this one. So I don't want to uninstall something, so this is finally done. And how we can go directly in the folder, right? So I will show you. This is an installation process, so you don't need to follow this one. If you want to remove, of course you can follow. So let me go to the terminal first of all, and how we can go terminal. I'm going to root directory, and here we need to go option, and here you can type a lamp, and inside the lamp we have the htdocs folder. So these are the file which inside of this particular of this particular of htdocs folder, and here you need to install all PHP files, and then you can check here which is a local host instance. And if you want any other things which we need to discuss on this video, let me know. Definitely I will create a separate video for you, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video. This video is sponsored by Cloudways. In Cloudways, you can host your Magento portal. If you don't know how you can host your portal, let me know. Definitely I will create a separate video for you. So complete series also I will create. So also this video is sponsored by Cloudways. If you're looking good hosting platform, if you're facing any challenges with any different kind of platform, this is really good for you, because you don't need to worry about all configurations. You need to set up within 5 or 7 minutes something. You can host your website. It's really simple as compared to any service provider, because you need to put something next, and you need to put some configurations. Your website will be host within 7 minutes something. This is the important features in Cloudways. Also, you have options to your website, your host to your website in different kind of service provider like AWS, like Google Cloud Computing, DigitalOcean, Linode, other platforms. So this is the key features. Depend on your budget, you can select DigitalOcean, Linode, AWS, or Google Cloud Computing. Also, you no need to worry about SSL certificate, because in Cloudways you will get free SSL certificate. Also, sometimes we facing problem in AWS, any other service provider, but here you will get 24/7 support. If you anytime you particular facing problem, you can get quickly. It's not about the any holiday something, because Cloudways providing 24/7 support. So this is the key features I'm telling you. You no need to worry about anything. Everything you will get in Cloudways. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.